Have you ever received an unexpected letter from the county court and found yourself puzzled over what it means? Or are you anxious because you could be expecting one? I'll uncover what a county court claim letter is, what you should do if you get one, and even how to spot a fake one. Let's start with the basics. What is a county court claim letter? It's a formal notice sent when another party starts a legal claim against you. This could be for a debt or even for compensation. Some common claimants are credit card companies, utility providers, and private parking management firms. But remember, this doesn't mean that you're immediately guilty. It's just an opportunity for you to respond. If you fail to do so, a county court judgment, or CCJ, could be issued requiring you to pay the debt. But here's something important. Not every county court claim letter you receive will be genuine. Watch out for scams or dirty debt collection tricks. Now, some debt collection agencies may send letters designed to look like a genuine county court claim. So how do you spot a fake? Well, real county court claim letters won't ask you to pay instantly or provide bank details. If you're suspicious, you can contact the court directly to verify the claim number that's on your letter. Okay, so what happens if you get a county court claim letter? Well, you'll also receive a county court claim response pack filled with forms that you may need to complete in return. It's essential that you take this seriously and respond by the deadline, which is typically 14 days or actually 16 days, considering the 2-day allowance for postage. If you need help, then don't hesitate to reach out to organisations like Citizens Advice or a debt charity like Step Change. When it comes to responding, you have several options. If you admit the debt, you can propose a repayment plan. And to do this, you need to fill out the admission form, also known as Form N9A, and then send it back to the claimant. If you disagree with the debt amount, you can make a partial defence by completing forms N9A and N9B. If you firmly believe that you don't owe any money, you can defend the claim in full by filling out form N9B. In any case, always seek legal advice before making a defence. But remember, if you ignore the claim letter, you're letting the claimant set the terms of debt repayment. And trust me, it could be worse than you imagine. You may even be ordered to repay the entire debt immediately. Miss a deadline? Well, don't panic yet. You can still send in your response. If the court receives your response before the claimant requests full debt repayment, it might be taken into account. If your defence is unsuccessful, you'll be ordered to pay the debt. It might seem daunting, but the judge will usually structure the repayment in a way that's affordable to you based on your disclosed finances. However, if it's still unaffordable, you can ask to be reassessed, though this comes with a court fee and a possible hearing. A CCJ significantly damages your credit score and can make it difficult to secure further credit. But here's a silver lining. If you pay all the debt within the first month, you can prevent the CCJ from appearing on your credit report. If you fail to do that, the CCJ will stay on your report for 6 years. If you refuse to pay or stop paying a CCJ debt, the claimant can take further enforcement action to recover the money. They can send bailiffs, apply for an attachment of earnings order, or even charge your property. So it's crucial that you please don't ignore a CCJ. If your debt has piled up and you want to look into your options, then I'll leave a form for you below this video, and it'll ask you a few questions like how much debt do you owe and how many people do you owe? And then at the end of the form, it'll connect you to a company that I've partnered with who can help explain all of your options. Some solutions can write some or all of the debt off, while others can lower your monthly repayments. It all depends on your unique circumstances. So click the link below and let me know how you get on.